my super incentives. And the same, it'll change right there. Instead of saying incentives, it'll say my super incentives. But one thing you want to keep in mind is also up here where it says hello team, you want to keep in mind that if you make it too big, it will break the design. So when you type in these things, try to keep them from going too long. So keep them relatively short so that it doesn't break the design, because that'd be pretty bad, and we might have to go back and look into the source and work on some HTML, which would be not too cool at all. So homepage, let me push save changes so we can get rid of that my team. Hello team. There we go, welcome. So now as you can see, we go back down to homepage settings and my super incentives, and it should say my super incentives. So that's pretty easy to customize. And below that, you can skip the icon, not important. The description is the description of my super incentive. So what this says right here is the description. So you see the title and then the description right below it. That's how you change the description below it. And this sub box link, one link, you can ignore that. So for each of these sections, you can ignore the icon and the link. And right below that, you can see new members, and then the description for new members, which is right next to it, new members and the description. And the same for announcements. Announcements and the description below that is right below there. Announcements and description. Google Analytics you can ignore. The homepage slider, which is this little slideshow deal we have going here. This is also customizable. What you want to do is say you want to upload. I'm not sure if you have a photo bucket account. But what you want to do is you want to take the pictures that you want to insert here in this slider and you want to upload them to the internet somehow. So you can use any photo sharing or photo hosting service. What I like to use is PhotoBucket. It's really easy to make an account. So you just you click here and push join now. It's free, and what you can do is upload. You can upload as many pictures as you want, or close to that. I think right here it says 5,000 pictures, which is a lot more than I would ever need. So you make your account, and what you're going to want to do for the slider is you can see that each of these pictures is a standard height. So what you want to do is take your basic photo editing software on your computer, which you almost definitely have, and you want to crop it to what it says right here, 495 pixels wide by 255 pixels high. And then once you have that, you want to upload it to PhotoBucket, and once you're in PhotoBucket, let me just log into mine so I can show you how to work this. I'm going to go, fresh as always is mine. There's my info. Uh-oh, that's not good. I think that worked. Yeah, there we go. So you're just going to want to take one of these pictures. I am going to choose this one. And when you hover over these pictures and you log in, you'll see that it gives you these codes right here. The one that you want to grab is the direct link code. So click that and copy it. So let's copy. And you want to come down here and paste it into this slide 1 path. And that's going to be the first slide. Slide 2 path is the second slide. Slide 3 path, and so on. Just make sure that before you do it, you edit the height and width to the standard, which is right here. Because if you don't, it will also probably break the design. And again, that would not be good. So that's how you edit the slider. We have some dummy photos in there for you now, which are easy to change. So let's move down to the About Us section right here. What you want to do to edit that is you want to come over here to Pages, click that, and you want to go to About Us, click Edit, and right here you can see the information for the About Us page. And this also has some extra information down here, starting at those nonsensical words. Everything from this line right here, where it says More Up, is what shows up right here. So what you want to do is edit any of this. Say I want to say, hello team, check out our incentives. And I want to push update page. That's how you save it. I want to view it and refresh it. And it says, hello team, check out our incentives. And so this is how you edit that section right there. You can see there's a little list right here. If you want to edit that, just come down here, push enter, and just add another one. So that's how you edit that part of your page. Okay, so let's move over to conference calls. We're going to go to the next link on the navigation. We're going to head over to conference calls. And as you can see here, we have copied and pasted your conference calls in here. I'm going to show you how to edit this. It's really simple. You're going to come over here to Pages. You can see conference calls up top. Edit. And here you can see the list of all your conference calls. And you can stretch this out a little higher if you want it, if you can't see enough. And you come down here, scroll down. You want to go to the bottom to add another one. Just press Enter. We're going to say New Conference Call. That's just what I'm going to call it. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to unbold it. And I'm going to say 9:30 p.m. Join us. I'm just going to put Update Page over there. And I'm going to come over here to my page. And you also, in order to view the page, you can just click right there to view page. Or to view your home site, you can just click use the visit site up there. And I'm going to refresh it. And at the bottom, you can see new conference call, 9:30 p.m. Join us. So that's how that works. I'm going to delete that because there's no new conference call at 9:30.